Students, so we are doing chapter number 2, diversity and discrimination, and this is the third video, and our top name of the topic is creating stereotype. Creating stereotype means creating certain perception, certain feelings, or certain statement that is. Uh, let's start. All of us are familiar with gender difference. What does it mean to be boy or girl? Many of you would say we are born as a boy and girl. It is given that what is there to think about? Let's see in this case. Arrange the statement given below. These two sections according to what you think is appropriate in this section. See, there is a perception for the girls. So students, our community is made up of boys and girls. All are familiar, all are same. But there is a gender difference. And if we see the statements, that there are certain statements, there are stereotypes, perception of the people that boys do not cry. Okay, these stereotype statements are there. If we take the statement, they don't cry, you will see that this is the quality that generally associated with the boy. Okay, there is a one statement given that do not cry. They don't cry. They don't cry. It is a stereotype statement which is connected with the boys. They are being considered, boys and men, they are being considered that they are strong enough. Men and boys do not cry. As babies or children, when boys fall and hurt themselves, their parents and other family members often console them by saying, "Don't cry, you are a boy," and are brave and they don't cry. As children grow up, they started believing that boys do not cry. See, when the boys are small, the parents tell that, "Oh, you are a boy," and console them, "Don't cry, because you are brave enough." And when they grow up, they have this feeling that we are boys, we do not cry. So this is the feeling. So even if the boy feel like crying, he stop himself from doing so, because if he believes that he is going to cry, is a sign of weakness. So even though both boys and girls sometimes wants to cry, especially if they are angry or in pain, as they grow older, boys learn or teaches themselves not to cry. This is the story. This is the story. Perception is there that from the beginning, when the boys are babies, they are being told that not to cry, and even if they feel like crying, when they grow up, they feel like crying, they are learned that or teaches that they do not cry, which is a sign of weakness. If a boy cries, he feels that others are either tease him or laugh at him, so he stops himself from doing it in front of the others. This is the way boys are, and this is how the girls are. These are statements we hear constantly and accepted without even thinking, and we start believing that each one of us must behave accordingly. These are the statements like they are well behaved, can be a statement used for the girls. They are soft spoken and gentle. They should be a statement for the girls. They are physically strong, statement used for the boys. They are naughty for the boys. So these are the different statements are given which are used for the boys and girls, and when we grew up, regarding this statement, we find our perception and create an image which is stereotype. When we fix people into one image we create is called stereotype. So what is stereotype? When we fix a people image or perception image is there, that is stereotype. When people say that those who belong to particular country, religion, sex, race and economic backward are stingy or lazy, criminals and dumb. We have a different opinion that people belonging to different country, religion are lazy, are criminals, are dumb. We have this is only a statement, and which we follow them, and that forms the stereotype. They are using stereotype. They are stingy and generous people everywhere in every country. It's not like that, students. Everywhere, in every part of any part of the world you go, there are all the kinds of people who are generous also, and people who are stingy also, and people everywhere in every country, in every religion, in every group, whether rich or poor, male or female. And just because some people are like that, it is not fair to think that everyone will be the same. Just because some people are different, some people are not fair, that doesn't mean the whole community or whole country is bad. It is just the only a slot of people who are bad enough. Stereotype stop us from looking at each person as a unique individual. Stereotypes is the perception of the people which stop us from looking each person as a unique individual. Every person is unique and individual in his or her own special qualities. Every person has his own special qualities, skills, and that are different from the others. They have fit large number of people into only one pattern or type. Stereotype affect all of us. When we have a certain statement or a perception regarding the people, that is the stereotype, and which affect us, all of us, they prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at or good at. That this stereotype, if we want to do something good for the others or want to think differently, that stereotype affect us or prevent us from doing those things. Thank you, class.